How to edit a post on Bluesky. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to easily edit any post on Bluesky. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. Once you open up your Bluesky application, in order to edit something that you've posted or published, what you need to do is head over to your profile section at the bottom right corner. Just tap on it to get to your profile. And here, if you want to edit any post, you basically have to tap on these three dots right here. And here on this menu section, you will not see any edit post option. But what you can do is copy your post or send this via your direct message. You also have an option to edit the interaction settings, but not the post exactly. So what you will see here is code settings. So if you want to enable your code posts, you just turn it on. And on the reply settings, if you don't want anybody to reply to your post, you can select nobody and then save. But if you want to use combined options like mentioned users or followed users only, you can do that as well. I'm just going to turn off the replies for now and tap on save and show you that the replies have been disabled on this post, and nobody else can write any kind of replies on this post except yourself. So that's pretty much it. If you found it's helpful, I hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.